And now the main part, the crabs are here. What is... Huh? So we extended our stay again. Sister, look. Wait. Tasty? Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So we extended our stay again in Mangalore, precisely Kundapur. We are at Jane's place, and I just woke up and just freshened up, and we're gonna have a very resting day. First half, we'll keep you updated what's happening, of course. और अभी आज लास्ट डे है तो हम लोग को थोड़ा शॉपिंग करना है सब लोग के लिए, मम्मी डैडी के लिए हु आर इन कुडाल. एंड यस, बाय द वे, फ्रॉम हियर वी आर गोइंग टू कुडाल. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बॉम्बे, एंड सो वी नीड टू टेक सर्टेन थिंग्स फॉर मम्मी एंड ऑल. And mummy daddy also are not well, so we need to go and visit them too. And from there we'll head over to Bombay because I have my shows there as well. तो जल्दी जाना ही पड़ेगा हम लोग को. तो बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो. हृदय कौन इज देयर? हृदय, ओह व्हाट इज दिस? हाँ, मैंगोज. गो गो गो. Guava, where's guava? Sure? I can't see it, darling. Oh, that is a small one, is guava. Okay, go. There's a guava. Come show me where it is. Coming. Keep there and come. Show me where it is. Give it to mama. Come, show me where it is. Yeah, but where did you get it from? Who gave you then? Grandma gave you? What is that? Guava? What is this half-eaten mango and all? From where you got? Where is it? I can't see any guavas. Oh, there is. Ah, okay. Wow. Ah, okay. Slowly. Don't move it. Wait. See, one is here. And the other one is here, and that, they're all coming up. Okay.
See, this is the right.
Oh yeah, you got the big one. You remember the big one only. Oh yeah, nice. See, there are many. This is guavas. Oh.
See that mango. See up.
Mango up. Mango is very common. Be careful up here. And see, they have put all this for safety. Where mango? I can't see mango.
See.
Where? Oh yeah, big one, Ray. Oh. Oh wait. Grandma will show you 1 minute.
See, yeah, come here.
Two are there, yeah. Yesterday, if you saw the vlog wherein we were boiling the water and we were burning the wood. So it's usually this wood that we use to burn it. That's how we are right now drying it because there's nice sunlight coming in. So we are drying it.
But why
Now
do
we are exploring this. We are exploring this area. We are right now in Kundapur, for the ones who do not know. This is Jane's house. Where did they get papaya? Huh? Bola, Hriday, what happened?
Why do they try the wood before heating it up?
Because dried wood is easy to burn, no? If it is wet, can you burn? Then simple logic. A lot of mangoes here. See? I don't know whether you guys can see it clearly or not, but I can see 1, 2 of them here.
That is tender coconut.
Coconut is on top, Ray. This is tender coconut. What happened? Yeah, what is Jane doing? Jane is removing mangoes. She's lucky. Oh, गिर गया. So, sorry दे. बड़ा मैंगो. हाँ, ये साइड है. ओहो. गिर गया? This is how it is. We get it directly in the पेटी. हम लोग को मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता है. 1 डजन का 1000 रुपये आता है. अरे हाँ, मम्मा बोल तो हाँ, एक गिर गया और एक. शो मम्मा. बस हो गया.
Yes, puro hasta.
Nice.
And Peru.
Ah, Peru also, yeah. Oh. Yeah, red ants.
Pura. Don't already get the
Hey, Baba, red ants are there. There are red ants. You need to be very careful.
अरे हमका खाओ नहीं है गलत.
Hey, what you are doing there? Why aren't you here? Huh?
पूजा सी.
चलो, I saw red ants, Baba. मैं डर लगता है red ants का. Goes to the food.
Humble.
What is humble?
Humble is that big red ants. We call
Humble?
humble.
Oh. Hey, we wanted to see the papaya. Actually, we want to see the papaya tree. This is the well. See how deep. This is the well. I don't know flowers are. Hey, you come here. You hold my hand. Go see. You want to see? Go see. Hold my hand, but deep, no?
Not very deep.
Not very deep. I'll throw you over it.
Not very deep.
See, flowers also are growing there.
Not very deep.
Sure, we'll go and see. Papaya is there. I can see it. Go behind that yellow patra. You can see that patra yellow. Behind it. Come. I'll show you guys. Papaya. Papaya. Check this out. Papaya. Ah, nice. Mama, be careful. Don't go inside and all. What? I don't go still you're going. Huh? No, he already saw you. Hriday, don't go there.
You saw the papaya this way?
Yeah, I just saw. Go see. You want to see?
Yeah, I saw here only, no?
Ah, it's no, yeah, big, huge ones. Yeah. Auntie's removed one and given. I'll show it to you. See, Jane got for us one papaya. It's there.
And mango.
And mangoes. Yeah.
ते
Check it
कच्चे
out.
कच्चे बड़े
Kacha, right?
Yeah, sweet
एकदम
it is.
रहता
What happened?
Auntie's cutting.
What is that? Guava?
गोवा
Ah, we just got guava. Oh.
See red.
eat and see
Thick.
You have. I'm not a fan of guava. Maka guava like na. Way.
Not it is.
Tasty?
nice
I have one bite and see.
that side people with any going no that
This
side
looks
all
like the
people
peda
going,
that we
no,
get first of all.
taking and eating that boys and
Oh, nice.
nice
Okay, I don't like.
it is small no eat
When coming time, no?
Where are you going?
Today I'm going to get clothes for washing.
I have told you, no, that let's wash the clothes.
I'll go and get.
Baby, get food bag also. Snack bag. There comes baby with all our soiled clothes for washing. Such acting he's doing.
All clothes are going to put for washing.
No. Ha.
Important ones.
Yeah. Then the remaining at mummy's place.
Now from here you take.
Ha, keep down. Keep
Abna,
your.
you take whatever important ones you put for washing. Ritesh का भी है इसमें जो.
Yeah.
So we have come to do some shopping, sweet shopping. What is the name of this place?
Parijata.
Parizata. What is the meaning of it?
It's a name of a flower.
It's a name of flower. Flower है क्या
This
इधर?
is the plant. But
Where? This is the plant.
This is the plant.
Wait, I'll just show you the name of the place and then the plant. Parizata. This is the name of the place and where is the plant?
This is the plant.
ये
Yeah.
ये तो बॉम्बे में मिलता रहता है रे. This is the plant.
But the flowers are not there.
No, there are no flowers, only the leaves. Chalo, let's go inside. Oh, you get softy and all, huh? What are you all buying? Oh, there's place to sit and all. Oh, lovely. So many sweets. Malpuri is not there. Halwa puri, kya? Malpuri is not there. We wanted malpuri. So then what are we buying? What do you want, darling? What is it?
ATV.
Oh, wow. Oh, ho, ho. Very nice. Why is it here?
Don't know. Just like that. For sure.
And that too near a dustbin. What to tell here?
So that means it's trash.
No, it's not trash. It's expensive. Expensive. Registered also. Maybe the owner might be coming in this. You never know. Chalo, let's go inside. Payment. See the bag, nice bag, no? ऐसा भी बैग्स मिलता नहीं है. कब? Sure. Chalo, let's go. Jane, now where we are going?
We'll go to Vasanta Bakery now.
Bread. I want bread and whatnot. Baby, you want to keep this in a dicky or you want to hold it? Dicky? We are in Kundapura market. Where are we going now? Vasanta Bakery. What name? Let me see. What is it called? Vasanta Bakery. Here we'll get Mama's favorite atras and all.
I smell pav bhaji.
हाँ इधर मिलता रहेगा ना पाव भाजी. You want? Take the bread and all, whatever you want. हाँ okay. पाव किलो हाफ के जी. हाँ बेबी पाव किलो हाफ के जी. हाफ के जी मैसूर पाक के. What are you all having? What do you want to have?
Nothing.
What do you like to eat? This is Vasanta Bakery. Bread का यार? Bread.
Bread is over there.
हाँ bread.
It's over, I think.
Malpua got over. Malpuri.
Only I'll take this one.
She Baba, what do you want only is getting. Oh, you take the chakli. Chakli is really good. 2-3 packet ले. ये chakli and all. Take banana chips also for Lolly and Melvina. हाँ ओके. Banana chips किधर है? Fresh वाला. Lovely. Is there? Yeah. See there, maybe straight. We are banana chips for Lolly and Melvina. Ah, एक number. Oh, they put कड़ी पत्ता in this.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, for taste, I guess.
ये strawberry biscuit है क्या?
This is really
Ah,
good.
bread. Is it? I don't like it. Oh, sorry. No, I don't. Mama does not want, I guess. Ask you. She was. हाँ, okay. Yes, for mummy, yes. Mummy loves all this. Get for mummy that strawberry biscuit नहीं मिलेगा इधर.
For mummy, Preeti, and daddy, I'm taking.
This also biscuit is good if you have tasted it. Got. Only we didn't get is malpuri. हाँ. That we have to search. किधर मिलेगा क्या malpuri? Alec, what do you think?
JMJ में भी मिलता
हाँ?
Let's see, we go to other bakeries.
JMJ में मिलेगा. Yeah. Are you planning to have chaat? Mangalore chaat, not Bombay chaat.
Yeah.
Want to have?
No, I'm good.
Have no if
I'm
you
good,
want.
I'm good, no.
You like chaat? No, have no.
No, it's okay. We'll have good.
You want? Ah, gadbad we'll have. Chalo. You want to have chaat? You have chaat.
No.
Hriday, what do you want? Gadbad.
Good bird, let's go.
Hriday says he wants gadbad. Let's have gadbad. So we are now walking in the streets of Kundapur. And that is the flower market, by the way. Flower market of Kundapur. See, it's written clearly. See there. We are not going there because we are not buying anything. But if you guys are around and want to go and explore Kundapur flower market, that's where it is. So we have decided to come back close to Vasanta Bakery. We have this. So we're going to have gadbad here now. So it's crowded place and there's waiting. How long is the waiting now? No clue. 10 minutes. So 10 minutes waiting before we get our tables and then order. So luckily we didn't have to wait for long. We got a table within a minute and we all are happy only because there is AC on top of us. What?
We came to take the order.
Yeah, as
He
if
saw
we
you
can
recording and he just
like immediately, like we need time to discuss. Acha, it's in Kannada also and in English also. Nice, good. Veg cheeseburger. Cheese, huh? It's written here, veg cheeseburger. Translate.
Dahi puri. Two.
Dahi puri.
Yeah. What do you want?
No, I'll have gadwa directly. Gadwa directly you'll have? Better.
More good.
Pooja, when she comes, let her order whatever she wants.
We had dahi puri.
Show me gadwad.
Matti bandha. Grape flower.
He's saying no only because he wants to have gadbad ice cream. He doesn't want to have dahi puri. He wants to have gadbad. Finally, it's here, gadbad. Oh, Hriday, slowly, आराम से भाई. Eat slowly, आराम से. Oh, well trained.
Recording without consent.
Well trained. Good job, Jane. Yeah. Oh, you learned on your own. Alec,
On my own.
on your own. Not giving
Child
credit.
labor, child
Not giving child labor. Not giving credit to mama. Help. What is shouting from there? What happened, Hriday? You are missing on lot of things. You have bath only. I am coming out to join you now. What no? Huh? Oh, yeah, bath is going to get over? Or water is going to get over? Kya? You are getting done. Okay, come out soon. You? What are you doing?
Removed all the clothes.
Ah, cool. Love you. Angry, irritated. Why?
Everything cannot go on the vlogs.
Yeah, it'll go in my head, and then you're going to piss me off. No?
I miss spending time with you.
Yeah, you're getting, no?
Chal back.
What is happening here?
Mama's doing handwriting.
My notes.
Analysis.
Whatever.
Learn, no, say analysis.
My brain.
Pakawing your brain. You have written that word.
I'm just she's bringing in the topic of me also now.
Oh. Okay, वो सब छोड़ तू कपड़े क्यों नहीं डाल रहा है भाई?
Go wear your clothes. Go there.
Nobody look at me.
Okay.
Yeah. Depends on the mood actually. No, actually.
Actually, how?
Sometimes I'm lazy. I don't know, like, you know,
That's true.
that's not mine. That is all mine.
It's
See,
But somebody else was completing your notes.
Very true.
Pooja is checking his handwriting and judging him.
This is what I want.
Not judging him, asking him to be better.
ए भाई तू कपड़े पहन ना.
I already know.
एंड टी शर्ट कौन पहनने वाला है? Later.
Physics. You did bio, right?
PCMB.
Mama, why do you?
I'm gonna baat mein you'll continue with your handwriting analysis. You have anything to say, baby?
Ulta.
Urdu, na?
Extra notes.
अच्छा, extra notes.
Important.
So, okay, Hriday is not alone in this. Okay.
I didn't shower.
What is this?
At least I'm not the one who's alone. now.
Alone, yeah.
I'm making mistakes.
So, an expert is finally come to use. Are you've already done it. Are I thought I'll fry some sausages, but it's already what, yeah, Jane? You could have let me fry it, no? I am expert in frying
one more packet
sausages.
is that you
Good,
Okay.
chalega.
you fry that.
I love frying sausage, the only thing that I know. So, when you come to Bombay, I'll make something different. I usually put soya sauce, onions, capsicum.
You want?
No, I'm just telling you that. Yeah, when you come to our place.
Sure.
When are you coming? I hope she comes in soon.
Very soon.
When soon? By next month at least come.
Ask Ritesh.
I'll ask Ritesh. So as you all know, they have a supermarket. They can't leave it. But you can try something to do. Yeah.
Pooja's request, we'll take leave and we'll come.
Yes. Yay.
Yay.
Love having these. And by the way, Ritesh is home. Ritesh, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
When are you coming to Bombay?
Inshallah in November.
November. Come in May. May is important month. Come in May.
May function.
Huh? Alright. Oh, look who's come.
You're in fries?
Frying, you're frying.
You fried.
Jane had already fried before I came on here.
Chalo.
I am only doing this much.
Ball you name like
Oh, that is moong dal. Kala hai.
Peanut.
Peanuts.
Crazy nuts.
Crazy nuts. Where is that bag?
Masala.
Mood is set. You're watching match. And after some time you're playing cards, right? Cards are sir?
Why Mindicoat khele yani?
Mendicoat खेल लिया. Now the main part, the crabs are here. Look at that. What happened to them? Why are you crying?
Okay, you don't cry. I'm not.
Alec will calm re. Don't worry.
I'm not okay, my shouting. My shouting.
Hey, that's my place. Why you're coming there? Go sleep with grannies.
He एकदम पता.
Hey, that is my place.
असं तो नहीं तो ये
Not
नहीं.
anymore.
Okay. ये काम.
What else see between grannies, what?
Yes.
God, yes. See, Ritesh uncle is also waiting to sleep.
अय्यो देवा. अपुरो ने तुमका.
They is sad because
Jane,
he's
Ritesh.
leaving.
आणि
Yeah.
तू आता नाही दे. आम्ही तसे नाही.
मका सगळं सांभाळ जायचे.
सांभाळ म्हणून आम्ही घेतलं.
Hriday,
हे राव सांभाळ.
रडू नका हृदय.
आणि डोळे सुजैन.
नका वय.
आणि तुझे दिसा पुढे.
See auntie singing.
Yeah, but I'm not showing auntie's video. That was auntie only. Everybody is listening.
ये रेकॉर्ड करता है कोणी?
और रेकॉर्ड करते पण काल तुझे व्हिडिओ नाही घेत. ओनली ऑडिओ घेता.
एलिका नींद येतो का?
Please.
प्लीज
This fellow is in another world. What is he building?
आता स्टडी झालंय एक्झाम झाले सगळं झालंय आता
Play,
निघतो.
play.
बडा.
A house.
Oh, beautiful house.
Cows.
Cows, see cows. दूध देतात ते.
See what he's built.
Come with us, see.
My sheep.
See fast.
I already
Wait.
You already saw.
I them breed. See.
Oh,
They make a new baby.
wow, how many they'll make? Only 3 they made.
No, they made one.
They made one. Oh,
They make new.
nice. So We're gonna sleep here for the night. Mama is there. Such big house. This is just one bedroom, guys.
This is the 10th planet.
This is
10th planet.
10th planet. And that is the dawn of the planet. This is the dawn's sun. He's building another planet a year.
तो हमारा घर का पास 9th planet है ना, तो वैसे ही model.
Model, same.
10th planet.
10th. So all of us are sleeping in one room. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 of us are sleeping in this room, and now it's time for us to say good night. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय, गुड नाईट, बाय.